what today's date is?
Yeah, October the 20th.
October the 20th. Sunday, October the 20th.
That's right.
Beautiful day. You know what?
That's what?
It's a beautiful day.
Oh, yeah, great. Not a cloud in the sky.
Yeah. You know what the name of this place is?
Now, what is it?
Okay. Well, we got a lot of food in here.
Rob brought a lot of healthful food.
Yeah. Well, let's see what we got.
He's going to mix it up into one dish.
Let's see what we got here. You just rattle that stuff off.
We got eggs
Okay.
and
We don't.
I don't know what that
That's
is.
Parmesan cheese. And this
Parmesan
is Mexican
cheese.
style blend of cheese. We don't have to use everything that I have.
Yeah,
This is Brussels sprouts. We are definitely going to use some of those.
yeah, Brussels sprouts.
Here's an onion. We're going to cut that guy up.
Okay.
We got, these are baby Bella mushrooms.
Oh boy,
We're gonna
that
cut some of
sounds
those.
good. I
Yep.
love mushrooms.
Yeah, we're going to cut those up. These are chicken breakfast sausages.
Okay.
So these are no antibiotics, no hormones, vegetarian diet. These are chickens raised on a vegetarian diet. There's no hormones added. So this is real meat, but it's I guess the chickens are scrutinized pretty much on what they can eat. So we also have, these are blueberries, which I don't know, probably won't use any of those. Got some potatoes. I've got, this is also chicken sausage. We can have our, so this is the same stuff. This is spinach and feta.
Okay.
So basically what we're going to do is we're going to make a goulash of stuff. I've also, which, if I can get this open, I've also got small cucumbers,
Okay.
celery, and asparagus. So here's what I want you to do, if you
Okay.
don't mind helping out.
I will do whatever I can.
Oh, I know you will. We'll just use it all.
Okay.
We'll cut it up. If you can cut that dude up, that'd be great.
Okay.
And we'll just use it all.
Okay. What do you want me to cut it up in?
However you want to cut it up.
Well, yeah, but just on this.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. And when you get done, we'll just put all that food in there. Meantime, I'm going to cut up some of these mini cucumbers. I don't want the ends. These are actually really good. These mini cucumbers.
Are they?
Yeah. Well, I mean, if you like cucumbers, you'll like these. So we'll cut all this stuff up, and what we'll do is we'll just put everything in here. I don't know. Some of this stuff we'll have to cook earlier than others. The mushrooms, they cook real fast, so we'll make
Onions
the.
you might have to cook first.
Yeah, yeah. So we need to kind of take that into
You
consideration.
think we need more onion than that?
You know, probably not. That's probably going to be enough. Yeah, I think that'll be enough, in fact.
We'll save that.
Yeah, save that onion. So what I do want to do is we're going to cut all these potatoes up.
Okay.
So we'll just kind of team up on these potatoes and cut those. And we just kind of quarter those, just so they'll cook a little faster. That's the main, I just want them to cook a little faster. So we got, so far we got onions, cucumbers. These are fun because there's red potatoes in there. I like those. I don't know that there's any benefit to the red potatoes as opposed to the regular potatoes, but they're fun. So from there, what we need to do is cut, we'll get some of those Brussels sprouts, and we need to cut some of them.
We don't need all of those.
Absolutely not, no. I would say we need about 8 or so. It's just the 2 of us, so just dump them out there. And we'll do the same.
Enough?
Yeah. So you just cut off a little bit of the tip of the Brussels sprout, you know. You don't want that, kind of like a cabbage, I guess. But you don't want that. Just cut that off, and then we'll cube these, quarter these or whatever. Yeah. Kind of just like to kind of break them down because I actually like the crispy leaves. Okay, what else we got? Mushrooms. We got to do a few mushrooms. You got that one sealed back? Oh yeah, if you want to do the asparagus, we've got that asparagus.
This asparagus?
There is asparagus, yep. And then I'll do a few of these mushrooms, which really should. I'm gonna do.
How much of this asparagus?
I guess all of it. I just chop this last end of it off. We don't need that, you know. But I'm gonna do a few of these, 3 of these, and that leaves 2. There's actually, we're lucky because there's water. Yeah, there you go. Oh, that's good. Perfect. Let me get this in here. Yeah, cut some of that celery. I'm going to wash these real quick. Hopefully this water's still on. I like mushrooms. Maybe I should put a little more. These cook pretty quick.
There you go.
Okay, so this we don't want to put in there yet. You think we should? You think that's enough meat? Yeah, I do too. Okay, so we're done here. We're done here. We don't need any. We are actually going to leave the Parmesan cheese out. Do we? Oh, so this is interesting. No, that's got to stay. So this is interesting. This is called tempeh.
Called what?
It's exactly tempeh. I don't.
Is it cheese?
No. This is called tempeh. So what you do with it is we're going to cut off a chunk about like this.
Yeah.
And I think we can cut it off into chunks about like that.
About how much you put in there?
Well, I liked it. It was pretty good. So I'm going to put a little bit more. But I don't really know what this is. I just know that it was in the health department, the health part, and it's supposed to be really good for you. The package says comes from Indonesia. It's soybeans. It's high in protein and a good source of iron. Low sodium. Yeah, so it's supposed to be just healthy stuff for you. So this is trash. This is good. Right there. Now, we are at the point, we're not going to put any egg, I don't think. We're at the point where it's time.
Lord?
Well, it's coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
Yeah, and it's just better for you. It's just a better alternative. At first, I got to be honest, I was a little skeptical and I've found that it's actually got a great taste. I really, I got to be honest. All this health cooking is kind of new to me. I'm enjoying it thoroughly because it's a whole new world that I've not really experienced.
You feel any different?
Oh, tremendous amount. Yeah, tremendous difference for sure.
Well, good.
Yeah, absolutely. There's no doubt. So actually, what I want to do here is I want to heat that up and I want to put that on there. I don't need that much grease for what we're gonna do. If you want to,
Yeah. Well, you tell
we
me.
we are going to. We got to cook the that sausage. Yeah, that meat.
Okay.
And I think we cook that first. Don't you? Or the potatoes, or
Yeah, I'd say so.
we can put it all in together and make it real simple.
Where are the potatoes?
They're
We've
already
got
in
them
there.
in there.
Yeah, they're already in there.
Well, okay.
So this needs a little bit of frying actually. This right here. This stuff needs to go straight to. This is the tempeh. Needs to go straight to the grease. If you want, you can lift up the whole thing. You see? Perfect. Well, that looks great. Okay, so we just wait for this. Here is this. Just dump all this in right like that. Okay. We got a little bit of coconut oil in there. Let's put some more. Let me see this.
Yeah, I think it needs a little bit more.
Yep.
Yeah, there you go.
One more.
Yeah, good.
Yep. So, what I want to do is we will cover this and let it sit for a minute. Pretty exciting. I want to put some of this on there.
Okay.
24 herbs and seasoning. I don't know much about it. A lot of food there. Awful lot. The smell. It smells fantastic. All right, so what we'll do is we'll try. We got
Delicious.
You need more.
What do you think?
Very good. I'll tell you what. Next time I'll put double of that tempeh in there. That stuff is good.
Put double what?
Try that. That piece right here. Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, that's that slab of stuff you sliced off.
Yep. It's called tempeh.
Well,
The meal was good.
we had a great meal, and you had some unusual items that that I haven't probably ever eaten before,
Well,
and it was delicious. You fixed enough for 3 people or more.
yeah, probably more.
But we ate it all, you and I.
Yeah, we did.
So it must have been good.
Yeah, we did eat
Yeah,
the whole batch.
it
Honestly, it looked like unsurmountable.
Yeah, I can't believe
But-
we ate it all, but we sure did.
Yeah. Well, so I thought everything in the end turned out okay.
Oh, it did. It was delicious.
I mean, as far as the potatoes were cooked right, everything going in all at the same time was okay. That wasn't so bad at all.
No.
Cook the sausage a little bit before you go, and that tempeh just a little bit. A little bit less oil, and I think that meal
Probably
would be
could have
great.
used just about half that much oil.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah,
Uh,
but everything was delicious. Well, you know it was because we ate it all.
yeah. Well, I guess I'll load up here, and then we'll hit the road.